A pre-owned 2018 Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro Premium. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.